Hey guys, back again with another video. So in today's video we'll be taking a look at ShapeshiftOS version 2.7 codenamed Solosys based on Android 11, and it is available for many many devices, but today we'll be looking at ShapeshiftOS for Poco X3 Pro, my device. And as you can see, Android version 11, ShapeshiftOS version 2.7, and security patch is August 5, and kernel version is 4.14, EthOS version 3.1, and the C Linux status is enforcing, so thumbs up for that. And yeah, there's tons of settings in the Shapeshifter page. I'll go through that later, but apart from that, there's some minor things like USB cutout, emulation, refresh set switches, and etc. There's blur, as you can see. Okay, there's blur, and apart from that, there are many like custom clocks. Let me show you real quick. If you go into style and wallpapers and into clock, as you can see, there are your clocks, but I'm going to use the Shapeshift 12 one. And apart from that, the ROM comes in built with Launcher 3 modified version, but I'm not using that. Instead, I'm using OnePlus Launcher. If you want to install the launcher port, you see my another video. I've made it already. Yeah, you can check it from the description. So yeah, I'll go through the Shapeshifter now because there's nothing much to talk about, and I'll go through the like battery usage and performance about gaming. Well, if you want to know about the gaming, I'll clear that right now. So yeah, I don't play PUBG, and I don't know if it runs on 90 FPS, but I play COD Mobile, and it is available for graphics set to very high and frame rate set to maximum. So that's a good thing. And yeah, I have been playing it. I have been using this ROM for a week now, and I had no lag or anything in COD Mobile. It played really well. I play in high and maximum settings, and it went very fluid, no lags at all. So thumbs up for that. And the battery usage was quite good. I'll show some screenshots in the later video. So right now I'm gonna like mute myself and show you the Shapeshifter with some beautiful music. So enjoy.